Hi there. The School of Population Health, Nutrition, and Wellness at Andrews University is starting a course this spring 2021 called Intro to GIS. So if you are an Andrews student, I would like to invite you to join us in this course. Registrations are open now, so take advantage of it. But one may wonder, why would someone be interested in ArcGIS? Let me take a moment to share with you the benefits of being able to use ArcGIS. So, what are the advantages of using ArcGIS or learning about GIS? First, let me tell you that there are many institutions, many organizations who use GIS. We use it in education to show information, to make it fun, to have interactive maps. We use ArcGIS in the health business, transportation, real estate, the government, and in telecommunication. Those are only few examples of who uses ArcGIS. GIS allows us to identify problems in our world. So we learn to know our world. One example is the opioid epidemic that we had recently that is still ongoing. For example, here in this map in 2013, you have a distribution of opioid prescription claims in 2013. The light greens represent the higher opioid claims, and the orange is more about the lowest prescription claims for opioid. Again, identifying problems. In this map, we have a distribution of COVID-19 cases in Michigan in March 2020. You can see in this map here, we know that the southeast part of Michigan had the highest distribution, the highest proportion of cases of COVID-19. So ArcGIS allows us to have a visual of those distribution. Another example in this map of Berrien County in Michigan, if you look closely on the top here, you see the orange squares are contamination sites around Benton Harbor. Well, the dark blue underneath it represents the age-adjusted death rates in that county, in that city. So ArcGIS allows us to overlay the contamination sites on the areas where you have the highest rate of deaths. So for planning purposes, that's an important information to know, either for cleanup or other measures to see if there is a correlation between those contamination sites and the fact that we have higher death rates in that area. Also in the southeast of the county, in the place called Niles, we have some concentration of contamination sites. And in the middle, you see a darker color of death rates as well. What's going on there? That requires further studies. However, ArcGIS allows us to see the problem so we can take action to investigate. We are able also to locate resources using ArcGIS. For example, in this map, we could see Andrews students, MPH Andrews students who have been trained over the years, where they are located. So past and current students all around in the United States, and some in Africa, some in Europe. So that allows us to see where our resources are located. This map is a very beautiful one. I loved it. I created this map since 2012, so it's a little bit old. But this map shows us the location in the northeast area of New Hampshire, the location of all the PCI capable hospitals in and around New Hampshire, which is the location of hospitals that can do cardiac intervention, that can reopen arteries after a heart attack. So by knowing where those hospitals are located, that tells you how long also it can take someone to reach one of the hospitals. For example, if you're living in the darker purple areas, you are only 0 to 30 minutes away from a hospital equipped to take care of heart attack patients if you happen to have one. Whereas if you're living in green areas away from the purple, you are over 90 minutes away from the closest hospitals who can provide you care in case of a heart attack. So this map allows you to locate those resources. Where do we have hospitals equipped to reopen arteries after a heart attack? So it allows you to locate resources. GIS also allows you to display some information better. Examples, look at this beautiful table. This is a distribution of heart attack in New Hampshire, aggregate data from 2005 to 2009. Look at that. You have all those counties, Belknap all the way to Sullivan, the distribution of heart attack in that state by county. It's okay. You can take time to look at which county has the highest rate. However, if you plug in those numbers into a map, this is what you will get. Here in a map, you have the same information, but in a better way to look at it. Now you can see where in New Hampshire do we have those heart attack more frequently. Well, it happens that in the south parts of New Hampshire, that's where you have the most cases of heart attack, particularly in Merrimack and Hillsborough County. So I hope you will be able to join us in this new course, Intro to ArcGIS, which starts January 11, spring 2021. If you are interested in it, register. Places are limited. Many students have already registered. We look forward to seeing more of you in this course. Until then, take care, be safe, and happy holidays.